In this video, we are going to discuss a error related to KMS server. So, what is a KMS server? KMS means Key Management Server. Using the KMS server, we can activate the other Windows servers in our network. Okay, we can use two methods to activate the Windows. One is KMS server, another is we can directly use the product key. But in my case, in this case, I am using the KMS server to activate the Windows. Okay, but while activating, I am getting this error 0xC004F074. This is the error I am getting. So in this video, we are going to discuss why this error occurs and what are the steps you have to follow to resolve this issue. Okay, those who are new to KMS server, please try to understand. These are the three commands we have to execute in the client Windows server to activate the Windows through the KMS. First, we have to change the directory using cd c Windows System 32. Then slmgr.vbs/skms IP address and port. This is the IP address of the KMS server and port is 1688. Then slmgr.vbs/auto. Using three commands, we can activate a Windows server through KMS. Okay. So now let me tell you what are the steps we have to follow to resolve this issue. So friends, before starting this video, let me tell you, I am going to start a RHCSA course. It's a full course and course fee is only 499 rupees. If you are interested, please go to my description section. There I have already given the link. Please register yourself. And if you are attending this course, you will get 20 classes. It's a online class and each class 1 hour and 30 minutes. Also, you will get the all class recordings as well as the PDF materials. Okay. So let me start the video. So what are the steps you have to follow? First, what you have to do? First, you have to check the date and time of the KMS server as well as the client server. Both should be same. If there is a date mismatch, time mismatch, then we have to maintain the uh, same time and date inside the client server as well as the KMS server. For that, we can configure the time zone. Else, we can also manually adjust the time. Once done, we have to also check the connectivity between the KMS server from my client server using the telnet command. And telnet command is telnet IP address of the KMS server, then port 1688. If there is no error for the telnet command, means there is no issue with the network, my client server is able to reach to the KMS server. Okay, there is no error between the network, and we have already corrected the date and time. Once we completed the step 1 and step 2, now we will try to register the server using the three commands. Okay, still if we will get the same error, there is no change, you are getting the same error again, then what have to do? We have to again install the product key in the KMS server using the command slmgr/ipk, then product key. This is the product key of the KMS product key. Okay, we have to download the product key. If you have, then you have to install in the KMS server. Go to the KMS server, install the product key. If you are using the server 2012, 16, 19, any version you are using, use the KMS product key for that version and install the product key inside the KMS server. Once done, again go to the client server, then try to register the server. I believe it will fix this your error and you can activate the Windows server. So these are the steps you have to follow to resolve this issue. I hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.